Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 3. How are you? Hope you all are good and safe at your homes. Dear students, I welcome you all in your online social studies class. Dear students, as you know that we have completed the reading and explanation of our lesson number 2, the word. Okay, today we are going to do its activities given on book page number 11. So open your book page number 11. Dear students, here is the first activity. We have to fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Number 1. Countries are divided by dash. Dear students, countries are divided by the borders. You have to write here borders. Okay. The second one is the longest river of the world is, the correct answer is Nile. Nile is the longest river of the world. So you have to write here Nile. Then Himalayas and Alps are names of two different dash. Himalayas and Alps are the names of two different mountain ranges. You have to write here mountain ranges. Number 4. Thames is a dash. Dear students, what is Thames? Thames is a river. So you have to write here river. Number 5. In the year dash, an earthquake ruined Azad Jammu Kashmir area of Pakistan. Dear students, here you have to write 2005. In the year 2005, an earthquake ruined Azad Jammu Kashmir area of Pakistan. Okay, then come on the activity, match the columns. Here are some natural disasters and here are their definitions. You have to match them. Okay, you have to match natural disaster with its definition. Earthquake. The first one is earthquake. Dear students, what is earthquake? Powerful windstorm, no or very less rain, large amount of water coming on land, very large ocean wave, or shaking of the earth. The correct answer is shaking of the earth is called earthquake. So you have to match earthquake with the shaking of the earth. The second one is hurricane. Dear student, hurricane is a powerful windstorm. You have to match hurricane with a powerful windstorm. The third one is tidal wave. Tidal wave, very large ocean wave. You have to match tidal wave with a very large ocean wave. Okay. The fourth one is drought. Drought means no or very less rain. यानी कि shortage of water. Drought means shortage of water, no or very less rain. You have to match drought with a no or very less rain. Okay. The last one is flood. Flood is the large amount of water coming on land. So you have to match flood with a large amount of water coming on land. Okay, dear students. Dear students, we have studied about the word and about the natural disaster. Okay, you have, your homework is to fill in the blanks and to match the columns given on book page number 11. Plus, you have to write the answers of question number 4 and 5 in your rough copies. What is an earthquake and what is a flood? You have to write their answers in your rough copies and then send me on WhatsApp. Okay, dear students, we will meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.